Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. We're excited to introduce SERGE. We're helping surgeons take better care of patients by taking better care of themselves. I'm Manik. I'm a physician endoscopist at Mayo Clinic.
And I'm Jacob. I'm a physician artificial intelligence scientist.
Think about your neck bent for 30 seconds. How about an hour? Starts to get painful, right? How about 100,000 hours? Yes, that's right. That's long how our necks are in a flexed, painful position over our careers. Work-related neck injuries are the leading cause of reduction in physician services and early retirement among surgeons. This is costing us and our patients billions of dollars, and we are here to fix that.
SERGE was built from the ground up by physicians and for physicians to keep our necks in line and to enhance surgical ergonomics. SERGE is built on powerful AI. It tracks the neck and the back positions over time, and it intervenes on your posture with both real-time notifications and long-term behavior modification. It integrates seamlessly into the surgical environment. Now, SERGE has been improving. It has had numerous iterations thus far, each with improvements and upgrades. On its current form, the version 3, it is ready to be in the hands of surgeons and be used for clinical studies. And SERGE has numerous advantages over the competition. SERGE is designed to be comfortable to wear, to integrate seamlessly and without any difficulty with complex surgical movements that are often found in the OR. And it's designed around the procedural space to be a natural fit in the surgical workflow.
The current market for SERGE is more than 100,000 proceduralists across the US, and our beachhead market is going to be GI endoscopists, each of whom performs more than 50,000 procedures across their careers. Even at 10% market penetration over 5 years, we're looking at more than $10 million in annual revenue, with the future of nurses, techs, and everybody in the healthcare field. Our team of physicians is directly affected by this problem, and we have technical expertise in biomechanics and artificial intelligence. We also have strong institutional support to conduct real-world clinical studies for rapid commercialization of SERGE. We thank you, and we are empowering surgeons for an injury-free future.
So there is a sequence of effect as the hours pass. Do you think that this is a device that would be a device to prevent long-term injury, something that could help correct any issues that may arise later on? So where in that career stage in the surgeon do you see them needing this? And the second question I have is, who's going to pay for this? Would it be the hospitals? Would this be a physical therapy kind of thing? So can you talk a little bit about that?
Two great questions. So the first time an injury happens in surgeon is the time that damage has already been done. So this device incorporates active feedback at the time you start performing the procedure and long-term behavior modification throughout the surgeon's career. And so it addresses both the problems. It fixes the problem at the root, which is bad posture and bad habits that develop. The second question, who's going to pay for it? And we're going to have a B2B and a B2B2C model. Our goal is that institutions and divisions who invest in their workforce, we are very highly trained workforce. It's hard to make surgeons in a year or 2 years. It takes decades to make a good surgeon. So we are hoping for B2B2C kind of a model where divisions buy our product, ultimately by word of mouth, and then it can expand to a lot of other people.
What class medical device will this be, or is it unregulated?
This would not require any regulatory approval and could go directly into the back of the surgeons. Yeah, so the model is B2B2C. So our goal is that individual surgeons can buy the device and the app that comes with it, but our ultimate business side is through the big divisions. We have a division of more than 1,000 surgeons at Mayo Clinic, each of whom the divisions can buy the product for them alongside the app that comes with it. Similarly, that it can expand to every other hospital in the country and all over the world.
There's quite a bit of interest right now in order to prevent people from having to retire because of occupational injuries. And so there's a lot of push and money involved in trying to bolster a physician's career and their healthcare during that time. And so this is something that the department could take on themselves to save themselves money in the long run by preventing these injuries from occurring.
It's just a simple,
We're out of time.
Okay. All right, thank you.